Hello buddies, I'm Mr. Cookie. I have a question. What does mean that ChatGPT? We are using our mobiles longer in our day life. We always search for the information from internet. Sometimes we won't get the exact information. But now there is a solution. That's called ChatGPT. Let's move on to our class. What is ChatGPT? T is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with a chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks such as composing emails, essays, and code. Who made the ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by openAI, an AI and research company. The company launched ChatGPT on November 30, 2022. What is the speciality of this AI? The model has many functions in addition to answering simple questions, such as composing essays, art, AI art prompts, and having conversations, and it can even code for you. How can you access ChatGPT? You can access ChatGPT simply by visiting chat.openai.com and creating an OpenAI account. Once you sign in, you are able to start chatting away with ChatGPT. Get your conversation started by asking a question. ChatGPT is still in its research stage. It is free to use and you can ask as many questions as you'd like. Meet you on the next video.